is what I want us to...
Aina peta na Aitutuonor kangin nese buni alosit itona pakina ebongorata Idwe osemeroi.
You bounce, imagine she has faked you kerejo kedengesi the other angle. You get me? But now she has made the U-turn to get back here. How do you come to intercept that ball? That is the essence of this training. So try to make it so.
Teso kwa peari nesi abu itolo munite Abolia na buton Harriet apako nada iswame jo kotoma inapeta nu Abolia netibo ko Uganda Esther Aryonge etegaran Aitutuonor ngin yese ejai unebe ebuna Aitutuonor ngin aisiteteun Abolia na kanetibo koteso.
Agetting I training at Soroti because I'm an ex-player of netball. A training at the netball, so I'm a daunting order through a showman in that I got scholarship in sports. So I realized the games in Teso had kind of died, and I developed the initiative of wanting to make it resurrect. So I am here trying to nurture talent. I picked kids from both primary. I have those other ones, primary, lower class, P1, P2. I have those ones of secondary, senior 1, senior 2. I'm trying to nurture talent so that maybe in one way or the other, they can also benefit just the way I benefited.
Abolia na kanetibo kwape kanuche Abolia show nesingare niki eriongete loka Uganda Netball Federation.
Dawo nepeta elapedopane ana akede adumungo aitetiaro na ijokonoi au mitingo bala mtinga peda Abolia konye anweka coach jokuna ngisino jakinge singo ajenunu skills no joke kede aminunu Abolia da.
When you play netball, when you come from like a village, can get a transfer from a town when you're good at netball. That's all about me.
Eriongetela showman keda Abolia show nesi tojo karit Abolia show kwape netball around topolortai kotomo semeroi Gabriel esikukanuka TV East koibuga Soroti.